Good morning, boys and girls. I hope everyone is doing well and everyone is safe. I thought today I would just come on and say hello to you, and we would talk about our math journals. At school, we do journals, but usually we're drawing pictures and using photographs and giving you a topic to draw about. Today, we're actually going to do some drawing using math, and we're going to call this our math journal. So this is something a little bit different, but I know you can do it. When you do your work, I don't want you to give mommy and daddy a hard time. I want you to do your work to your best ability, and I don't want you to scribble because I know you can do really, really well. And I want you to show them what you can do because you've gotten really big this year, and you're a big kid and you're getting ready for kindergarten. So the math journal I'm going to show you today is the one with the grass on it. You can do any math journal page you want. I just wanted to start with this one today just to talk to you about doing your best work and using everything you know about writing and drawing. And I think I'm going to show you how to do this math journal just with some objects like we would do in school. So if you remember, we had a YouTube song called Where's the Monkey? And the monkey would hide all around the room and we would use words. And remember in the beginning you would point and you would say right there or over there, but those aren't really math words. Math words are like words like above, below, inside, next to, beside, and that's what I want you to use when we play this game today. When I put the egg somewhere around this silly little truck, this was my little boy's truck, for his Easter basket when he was little, and I still use them for their Easter baskets. Wherever I put this egg, I would like you to tell me by using your math word where it is. For example, if I put it here, I don't want you just to point and say right there. What math word would you use if I asked you where's the egg? You would say what? Above the truck. This is above. How about if I put the egg there? Where's the egg now? Below the truck, that's right. How about if I put the egg right here? Where's the egg now? Inside of the truck, that's right. And lastly, what about if I put the egg right here? This could be a lot of different words if you put it here. You could say it's in front of the truck. You could say it's next to the truck. You could say it's beside the truck. All of those are math words, and those are fantastic. So practicing these kind of skills with toys is a great way to do it. And the math journal should be easy peasy for you. Do you see that there's a line right here? I bet lots of you will try to squeeze your name on there. That really isn't a line that says name, it's a word that says date, and that's a calendar word. When Mrs. Brooks does calendar with you, she asks you what is the date, and that's the number of the month. So I'm going to have you put your name above that, and I want you to do your best work when you write your name and practice it. So I just wrote my name right on the top of the paper. I'm using a lot of math words, even telling you where my name is. And you may have to have a mommy or daddy read the directions to you, but this says green grass grows. Draw a flower above the grass. Draw the roots below the grass. Draw an ant beside the grass. So I'm going to start with the first direction, and that says draw a flower above the grass. So I need to think in my head, what color are flowers? Okay, the bottom part of flowers are green. That's called the stem. And I just make a line for the stem, and then I just put a couple of green leaves on the side. Did I scribble? Nope, taking my time. What about a flower? Well, flowers can be all sorts of colors, so that's kind of a fun one that you get to pick whatever color you want. We learned lots of different ways, like a letter U to make a flower, and this was one of our favorites. You make a big ball on the top, and then you make it look like a sun. You just make little rays all the way around, which are called petals, and it looks like a beautiful flower. And that is above the grass. The next direction says to draw the roots below the grass. When we did our planting with beanstalks, we talked a little bit about roots. Those are like the straws for plants, and they grow into the ground and they drink up the water like a straw. So the roots are long, skinny parts under the grass, and I'm just gonna make lines like this. My brown marker's not working great. And I'm just going to make little tiny other white lines, which are just part of the roots, because the roots spread out and drink a lot of water to keep those flowers and that grass growing beautifully. The roots are now below the grass. The next question says, draw an ant beside the grass. So beside means next to. Is this beside? How about this? No, that would be on the grass. Should the ant be down here? Nope, that's below the grass. So next to or beside. An ant really just looks like 3 circles, kind of like a snowman. And then ants have how many legs? Does anybody know? Ants have 6 legs, and I put 2 little antennae on the front. I'm not sure if ants have antennae, but I just added them. The last thing you should do is color the rest of the picture, and that would be adding your green to your grass. My grass looks kind of brown right now outside. It's really not the most beautiful, but hopefully soon it will turn green with lots of rain and sunshine. So there's my finished math journal, and I took my time, I added lots of colors and details, and I answered the questions. I hope you'll do the same. Any of the math pages that you want to do each day is perfect. Pick one and do your very best work with it, and don't forget to write your name. I am looking forward to seeing your posts on Google Classroom, or you can text me, or you can email me the pictures. But if you put them on Google Classroom, everyone gets to see them there. I miss you guys, and I love you, and I can't wait to see you soon. Have a great day.